Nestled along the Adriatic coast of Croatia lies the ancient city of Poreč. This charming city boasts a rich history, dating back to Roman times. Among its many treasures, the Episcopal complex of the Euphrasian Basilica stands as a testament to its enduring legacy. This complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, offers a captivating glimpse into the world of early Christianity. It is a harmonious blend of art, architecture, and faith. Poreč's location on the Istrian Peninsula made it a strategic port city. It was ruled by various empires throughout history, including the Romans, Byzantines, and Venetians. Each civilization left its mark on the city's architecture and culture. However, it is the Byzantine era that left the most indelible mark in the form of the Euphrasian Basilica. The Basilica complex is not just a religious monument. It is a symbol of the city's resilience and its continuous engagement with diverse cultures. It serves as a reminder of Poreč's historical significance as a crossroads of civilizations. Today, the Euphrasian Basilica continues to inspire awe and wonder in visitors from around the globe. The story of the Euphrasian Basilica begins in the 6th century AD, during the reign of the Byzantine Emperor Justinian. Justinian, known for his ambition and piety, embarked on a vast building program across the empire. His aim was to restore the glory of the Roman Empire and promote Christianity. The construction of the Basilica in Poreč, then a part of the Byzantine Empire, was a part of this grand vision. It replaced an earlier Christian basilica, which itself stood on the foundations of a Roman house. This layering of history is visible in the basilica's structure and surrounding archaeological remains. Bishop Euphrasius, after whom the basilica is named, oversaw the construction. He was an ambitious man who wanted to create a magnificent edifice that would reflect the glory of God and the power of Byzantium. The basilica was completed in a remarkably short period, likely around 560 AD. It became a symbol of the city's prosperity and the bishop's authority. In 1997, UNESCO inscribed the Episcopal complex of the Euphrasian Basilica on its World Heritage List. This prestigious designation recognizes the basilica's outstanding universal value. The complex is an exceptional example of early Christian art and architecture, showcasing the transition from early Christian to Byzantine art. The basilica is not just a standalone structure, it is part of a larger religious complex. This complex includes the atrium, the baptistery, the bishop's palace, and several other buildings. The well-preserved state of these structures offers invaluable insights into the organization of early Christian communities. The basilica's significance extends beyond its architectural and artistic merit. It stands as a testament to the spread and influence of Christianity in the Mediterranean world during the Byzantine era. Its mosaics, in particular, are not just beautiful works of art. They provide valuable information about the religious beliefs and practices of the time. The Euphrasian Basilica is a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture, characterized by its harmonious proportions and intricate details. The basilica follows a traditional basilican plan, with a nave and 2 aisles. The nave is separated from the aisles by rows of marble columns with beautifully carved capitals. The basilica's design skillfully incorporates elements of Roman and early Christian architecture. The use of arches, columns, and a pitched roof reflects Roman architectural influence. At the same time, the basilica's overall design, with a focus on creating a spacious interior filled with light, is typical of early Christian architecture. One of the most striking features of the basilica is its use of light. Numerous windows, strategically placed throughout the structure, bathe the interior in a warm, ethereal glow. This interplay of light and shadow adds to the spiritual atmosphere of the space, inviting contemplation and prayer. Perhaps the most breathtaking feature of the Euphrasian Basilica is its stunning mosaics. These intricate works of art adorn the apse, the triumphal arch, and other parts of the basilica. Created using thousands of tiny pieces of colored glass and stone, the mosaics shimmer and sparkle, illuminating the basilica with vibrant colors. The mosaics depict a variety of biblical scenes and figures. The apse mosaic, the most prominent and impressive, features Christ enthroned between angels, with Mother Mary and saints below. The triumphal arch depicts scenes from Christ's life, while other mosaics show various saints and bishops. The Euphrasian Basilica's mosaics are not just aesthetically pleasing, but also hold deep theological significance. They served as a visual representation of Christian beliefs and stories for a largely illiterate congregation. The mosaics aim to educate and inspire the faithful, conveying the power and glory of God. Section 6. Beyond the Basilica Walls. The Euphrasian Basilica is just one part of a larger episcopal complex, which provides further glimpses into the religious life of the time. Adjacent to the basilica lies the atrium, a large, open courtyard surrounded by covered walkways. This space served as a gathering place for the community and a transition zone between the secular and sacred. The baptistry, an octagonal structure located next to the atrium, is where new converts were baptized. It features a large baptismal font in the center, emphasizing the sacrament's importance in Christian faith. The bishop's palace, located nearby, housed the bishop and his administration. The complex also houses a museum showcasing a collection of artifacts unearthed during archaeological excavations. These artifacts, including pottery, jewelry, and liturgical objects, provide valuable insights into the daily lives of the people who lived and worshipped in Poreč during the early Christian period. Section 7. A beacon of faith. The episcopal complex of the Euphrasian Basilica stands as a powerful symbol of the resilience of faith. It has withstood the test of time, surviving centuries of political upheavals, changing empires, and the ravages of time. The basilica has served as a place of worship for over 1,500 years, a testament to its enduring spiritual significance. The basilica played a crucial role in the spread and consolidation of Christianity in the region. It served as a center for religious education, missionary activity, and pilgrimage. The basilica's grandeur and the beauty of its art and architecture served to attract converts and reinforce the faith of the believers. Even today, the basilica continues to be a living, active place of worship. Religious services are held regularly, drawing locals and visitors alike. The basilica serves as a reminder that faith can endure and inspire across centuries, offering solace and hope in an ever-changing world. Section 8. Echoes of the Past. The Euphrasian Basilica is more than just a beautiful building. It is a time capsule, preserving within its walls echoes of a distant past. The basilica's structure, its mosaics, and the surrounding buildings tell a story of faith, power, and artistic expression in the early Christian world. The basilica has undergone several restorations and renovations throughout its long history. These interventions, while necessary for its preservation, have also revealed layers of history embedded within its walls. Archaeological excavations within the complex continue to unearth new discoveries, shedding further light on the site's rich past. Visiting the Euphrasian Basilica is like stepping back in time. One can imagine the artisans meticulously crafting the mosaics, the echoes of prayers and hymns filling the air, and the bustling activity of a thriving religious community. The basilica stands as a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and the enduring quest for spiritual meaning. Section 9. A timeless destination. Today, the Episcopal complex of the Euphrasian Basilica is one of Croatia's most popular tourist destinations. Visitors from around the globe flock to this UNESCO World Heritage Site to marvel at its architectural splendor, admire its breathtaking mosaics, and immerse themselves in its rich history. Whether you are an art enthusiast, a history buff, or simply someone seeking a moment of tranquility, the Euphrasian Basilica has something to offer. The Basilica complex offers a unique opportunity to connect with the past, to contemplate the beliefs and values of another era, and to appreciate the enduring power of art and architecture. As you stand within its hallowed halls, bathed in the warm glow of its ancient mosaics, it's easy to feel a sense of awe and wonder. The Euphrasian Basilica is not just a building, it's a testament to the enduring power of human creativity and the enduring search for meaning in the cosmos. It is a destination that transcends time, inviting visitors to connect with a rich tapestry of history, art, and faith.